Our next chapter is components of food. Let's revise this chapter. We have already learned about nutrients that are essential for growth and maintenance of our body. They are carbohydrates, protein, fat, vitamins, minerals, dietary fibers, and water. Carbohydrate is energy-giving substance and we can get it from sugar and starch. As you can see it in the picture, these are the sources of sugar and starch. Next is fats. Fat will provide us high amount of energy than carbohydrates. We can get animal fats from animal sources and vegetable oils from seeds. All the examples are given here. Next is protein. It is very essential for the growth and repair of our body. Two special types of proteins are there. They are enzyme and hormones, which are very essential for our body. Protein helps to make our bones and muscles strong. It will also form cartilage, blood and skin tissue. The good sources of proteins are milk, egg, seafood and beans. Next is vitamin. Vitamin is very essential to prevent any kind of diseases. Different vitamins perform different functions, such as vitamin A maintain a healthy eye and skin, vitamin C protect our body from diseases, vitamin D produce with the help of sunlight, help to obtain calcium and similar minerals from the food, and it is very essential for the growth and maintenance of our teeth and bones. Some good sources of vitamins are milk, egg, fish, sunlight and green leafy vegetables. Another important component of our food is minerals. It is required in small quantity but are very important for proper growth and maintenance of our body. For example, iodine, calcium and iron. Calcium. It will help our digestive system to work properly as well as our nervous system. It will help to build our teeth, bones, hair strong. Iron is required to produce blood. And we can get it from green vegetables, lentils, beans, fruits, etc. Iodine is very important mineral for our body. It is needed for making thyroid hormone. And we can get iodine from iodized salt, milk, ginger, leafy vegetables, fish and seafood. Next is dietary fibers. It is also known as roughage. Remember that roughage is not a nutrient-giving food, but it helps in removal of waste material from our body by the movement of peristalsis. And it will help to maintain a healthy digestive system. Food grains, pulses, fruits and vegetables have plenty of roughage. Next is water. Water is an essential component of our body. It will help to regulate the temperature through the sweat, maintain temperature of our body, remove unwanted and harmful substances through sweat and urine. In order to find out what kind of components are present in our food, we will perform some tests. First, there will be test for starch. We have to take dilute solution of iodine. Then we'll pour this solution in a water, which we will take it in a test tube. By mixing with the water, the tincture iodine will now become the dilute solution of iodine. With the help of a dropper, we will pour the dilute solution of iodine on the potato. We will observe that the part will turn into bluish black color. And this will indicate the presence of starch in that particular food. We will get starch from sweet potato, papaya, mango, etc. Next is test for protein. We have to take solution of copper sulfate. By adding copper sulfate powder in the beaker of water, we can get the copper sulfate solution. Next, we will add caustic soda in water to get the caustic soda solution. Grind or mash some of the food item and Put some of it in the clean test tube. Add 10 drops of water to it and shake the test tube. Now using the dropper, add 2 drops of solution of copper sulfate and 10 drops of caustic soda solution. Soon you will observe the color will change, and this will indicate the presence of protein in the food. We can get proteins from milk, cheese, wheat, almond, meat, fish, etc. Next is test for fat. We have to take a small quantity of a food item, wrap it in a piece of paper and crush it. Then you have to observe the paper carefully. Do you observe any stain, or the paper has become partially transparent or translucent? If your answer is yes, that means that food item contains fat. Sources of fats are cheese, butter, chocolate, almond, groundnut, sunflower seed, etc. Next is we all need a proper healthy diet for proper growth and development. So we have to take a balanced diet that contains carbohydrate, protein, fat, water, dietary fibers, minerals and vitamins. So that's why we need to take a mixture of food that will contain all the necessary ingredients. Balanced diet is different for different persons. Balanced diet also changes with our age. Another most important thing is we should avoid junk food because of they have no or very little amount of nutrients, and they can also cause diseases. Excessive eating can also lead to obesity and other digestive problems. Next topic is deficiency diseases. What can happen when we will suffer from mineral deficiency? Calcium deficiency can cause muscle cramp and abnormal heartbeat, and our bones and teeth will become fragile. Iodine deficiency can lead to poor growth, mental retardation, and also the swollen thyroid gland, that is the goiter disease. Next is vitamin deficiency. Vitamin A deficiency can lead to poor vision, night blindness, and even complete blindness. Vitamin D deficiency can lead to poor absorption of calcium, bones will become soft and weak, and it will finally lead to rickets. Deficiency of vitamin B1 will lead to weak muscle, very little energy to work, and the disease called beriberi. Deficiency of vitamin C will lead to bleeding from gums, inability of body to heal the wounds, and also the disease known as scurvy. So children, read this chapter again along with the question answer. Thank you.